Hi there, glad to see you all. I will try to surprise you. Today, I will share my favorite salad. It's very simple, I would even say trivial. Do you know what's the main principle for this? The simple is better. And so, Greek salad in the studio. I just love it because it contains all my favorite ingredients. So, tomatoes for juiciness and freshness, cucumber for crispy texture, and red onion to add the kick of flavor. Olives for authentic taste, my love. Red sweet pepper. By the way, do you know it contains an amount of vitamin C? Next, feta cheese, which all add tenderness and creaminess. And olive oil to bring our salad to life. Without salt. I prepare all vegetables. Let's go cooking. I already prepared all vegetables. Let's go cooking. So, cut into large chunks. I'm delirious from the restaurant serving. Here is tomato. Here is a cucumber. And red pepper is here. Done. Oh, olives with a bone, but this is just my preference. And a big crunch of feta. Peppers are sometimes added to the salad, or anchovies, but I don't like them. Fill everything with a small amount of olive oil. And sprinkle with a hair to spice it up. And ready! It's a healthy, delicious, plentiful, and most importantly, simple. Thank you for watching my video. Enjoy your meal. It's my dinner.